নমস্কাৰ মই ঋতুৰাজ টাইমিটৰ দৰ্শকসকলৰ বাবে এই মুহূৰ্তত লৈ আহিছোঁ এটা গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ খবৰ আজি ৭১ সংখ্যক আৰক্ষী দিৱস আৰু আৰক্ষী দিৱস উপলক্ষে ইতিমধ্যে মহানগৰীৰ কাহিলিপাৰাত দেখিবলৈ পোৱা গৈছে আৰক্ষীৰ বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠান এই গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ খবৰটো জনাইছোঁ টাইমিটৰ দৰ্শকসকলক পুনে পুনে কাহিলিপাৰালৈ লৈ যাম টাইমিটৰ দৰ্শকসকলক কিয়নো কাহিলিপাৰাত এক বিশেষ বৰ্ণাঢ্য অনুষ্ঠানৰ আয়োজন কৰা হৈছে ১২টাকৈ আৰক্ষীৰ বেটেলিয়নে ইতিমধ্যে
শ্ৰী সৌৰভ কোঁৱৰ
অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিছে বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠান
ভাৰতীয় সংৰক্ষিত বাহিনী কৰ্তব্যত নিয়োজিত হৈ আছে অসম আৰক্ষী বিশেষ শাখা সংগঠন শ্ৰী সৌৰভ কোঁৱৰ সশস্ত্ৰ শাখাৰ আৰক্ষী ঊনবিংশ অসম আৰক্ষী ভাৰতীয় সংৰক্ষিত বাহিনীৰ পৰা অসম আৰক্ষীৰ বিশেষ শাখা সংগঠনত নিয়োজিত হৈ আছে অসম আৰক্ষী দিৱসৰ সন্মানীয় মুখ্য অতিথিৰ ভাষণ এইখিনিতে আগবঢ়াব আমাৰ সকলোৰে শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ অসমৰ মহামহিম ৰাজ্যপাল মহোদয়
Namaskar and a very warm good morning to all of you present over here. Director General of Police Bhaskar Jyoti Mahanta ji, Special DGP GP Singh ji, Special DGP Dr. L.R. Bishnoi ji, Commandant Assam Police Battalion Indrani Barua ji, all other senior officers of Assam Police Force, their family members and other dignitaries present over here. I am really glad to be present here in this beautiful ambience. The beauty of this place really manifests the beauty of Assam Police. Please allow me to congratulate the entire rank and file of Assam Police and their family members on the occasion of Assam Police Day. It's indeed a happy occasion for all of us to be present here and celebrate this day. My heartfelt greetings to all of you on this occasion. I at the same time offer my sincere tributes to hundreds of men in uniform who left us forever for their eternal sojourn. However, their indomitable courage, devotion, and supreme sacrifice always remain a source of inspiration for us to serve the society dedicatedly more than ever before. Ladies and gentlemen, I always believe that police service places enormous responsibilities on your shoulders. It's a service that defines the trust of common citizens in our men in uniform. Our citizens always see you as a force who will uphold the rule of law and enable justice to be delivered to the last person at the bottom of the pyramid. Your primary duty is to serve common citizens and ensure justice to the poorest of the poor. Being in the police force has always bestowed with the opportunity to make a difference to the lives of not just a few people, but thousands and lakhs. This is a big responsibility, and I am happy that you are always up to it. In many ways, police represents and symbolizes the quality of a state. So, no matter how much pain is inflicted on you, please be good to the people in distress. Remember, we must do everything required to make basic policing better, and that is the hallmark of a sensitive and professional police force. Always contribute to build a society where citizens fear and respect the law rather than fear the law enforcer. I am happy that Assam Police, a very dedicated and professional police force, time and again has proved that it is worthy to secure the lives and properties of our people and at the same time deal with the changing dynamics of the crimes. For example, while on duty, our police force is confronted with challenges. Some of these challenges are peculiar to the times we live in. For instance, there is a challenge of terrorism and extremism, which have both domestic and international ramifications. Moreover, we have crime emanating from cyber and financial world besides the conventional ones like smuggling of contraband substances, illegal trading involving children, cattle smuggling, wildlife, so on and so forth. But I am happy to say that in all these challenges, Assam Police have come out successfully. You all will agree with me that while technological advancements are boon to our society, but they are also creating avenues for sophisticated digital crimes. Also, the miscreants use high technology to carry out other subversive activities. Therefore, before us, the time is now dominated by technological upgradation and innovation. So, in view of the technological innovation, we need to keep track of new technological developments and have to equip ourselves cyber forensic tools and other modern tools which will help to cybercrime investigation. Therefore, the fact that you have made tremendous progress in dealing with crimes of various nature, for you, there is no room for complacence. Keep honing your skills and utmost importance on basic policing and securing the lives and properties of all, with special attention to less privileged. Once again, my heartiest greetings and best wishes to all on the occasion of Assam Police Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
निशान डाली आगे मेरे का मध्य से सल
সুন্দৰ কুচকাৱাজ প্ৰদৰ্শনেৰে প্ৰত্যাখ্যান কৰিছে অসমৰ বিভিন্ন প্ৰান্তৰ পৰা অহা আৰক্ষী বাহিনীৰ বিষয়াজনসকল আৰু এনেদৰে কৰ্তব্যত ব্ৰতী হৈ পৰিব যিহেতু লাচিতৰ আদৰ্শৰে অনুপ্ৰাণিত আমি অসম আৰক্ষী কৰ্তব্যৰ আগত কোনো কৰ নহয় কোনো আপোন নহয় এই আদৰ্শৰে আমি আগবাঢ়ি যাম দেশৰ সেৱাত ৰাইজৰ সেৱাত কোনো বাধাই আমাৰ প্ৰাচীৰ হ'ব নোৱাৰে দেশ সেৱাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কোনো অপশক্তি আমাক ৰুধিব নোৱাৰে জনসেৱাৰ স্বাৰ্থত আমি যে আৰক্ষী দেশৰ ধৰণী আমি আৰক্ষী অসম আৰক্ষী জনহিত জনহিত